Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is January 15, 2015. What a day it is. The futures right now are trading higher by 4.5 to right around the 2011-2012 level. So again, per contract that is. So futures have caught a bid, but it's been a wild morning. It really starts off with the Swiss National Bank. And what they did was they basically scrapped or stopped their floor against the euro. It sent the Swiss franc soaring higher against the euro and the dollar. And take a look at the Swiss franc here this morning. It is pretty amazing when you look at the activity that has taken place here. So look at the plunge in the dollar franc, and then look at the rebound here a little bit. But all in all, there's some pretty wild stuff going on in the currency market. Now, with this move by the Swiss National Bank, that tells us there probably is coming a European QE. And I know a lot of people may not realize that, but this move by them today is probably telling us that a European quantitative easing is on the horizon. So just be aware of that. We'll see how it plays out. Again, there's going to be some wild action in the currency market over the next week or two, so just be prepared for that. But if you take a look at gold this morning, gold is soaring on the news. Right now you have gold futures trading up over 20 points or $20 to $1,255 an ounce. You can take a look at the GLD this morning, trading at around 120.47. So this news is very bullish for gold. It's also bullish for gold mining stocks. And if you take a look at the GDX today, now trading around 21.24. Yesterday it closed at $20.31. So again, currencies are dominating everything. If we take a look here at our dollar yen chart today, you're going to see that this is trading down about 43 cents on the session, really tumbling sharply overnight. However, it has started to come back a little bit, so this is still the currency to watch for the market. I've been saying that for probably a couple years now, and it still remains the case. So let's see what's working and let's see what's happening in the stock market. Today, we got a lot of earnings out of a couple of bank stocks. First one we're going to start off with is Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC. You're going to see the stock sold down to this 1540 level, and now it's trying to rebound. There still seems like a lot of support around the 1540 area, so we'll see how that goes. I will have gap levels for this one in the intraday stock chat today. So again, if you want to take a 7-day free trial, come on over to the intraday stock chat. You'll see all the levels that we have each and every day. Yesterday, in fact, we hit a nice JP Morgan scalp trade, and earlier this week we also got Tiffany's. So again, we're doing pretty well with all the morning gaps. And if you just have an hour or two and you want to trade the morning gaps, this is the season to do it, right when you're in the heart of earnings season. We should have gap plays just about every day going forward. With the rare occasion that we don't, we'll still have many other trades. So again, take a 7-day free trial. Come on over to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing, and we have gap plays every morning going forward as earnings season is upon us. All right, let's take a look at Citigroup. That's another leading bank stock that had reported earnings. Stock right now is trading at 49.25, closed at 49.05. It did trade, I believe, as low as 47.75. That was a significant support level. We'll see where this one plays out. I'll have some support levels ready for us in the intraday stock chat room today once the opening bell rings. So if you want to trade Citigroup along with us, should the stock fall, we will be playing that equity. So keep that on your radar today, but we will be looking at that one at some point in time this morning or this afternoon. Next one we're looking at today is going to be BlackBerry, BBRY. And what you're going to see here for BlackBerry is that this is the week of options expiration on this coming Friday, and I always tell the In the Money Stocks members we go through exactly what options expiration is all about and all the game playing that you're going to see by the institutions. Well, yesterday was a big game player. You see BlackBerry with that huge spike around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, trading above the $13 level before retreating, and it's all on a rumor that Samsung was going to buy out the company. BlackBerry has come out and said that's totally false, and the stock plunges right back down to $10.50. So again, BlackBerry is in play today. I have some levels of support. But either way, this is the week of rumors. This is the week of ridiculous upgrades and downgrades. You're probably seeing tons of those out there. Just be prepared for the unexpected, like I like to call Options X each and every month. This is the real Shark Week. So again, be prepared, be on your toes. But BlackBerry is a perfect example of that. So I'll have some levels for BlackBerry if it gets down there. Right now, I'm looking at $9.77. There'll be support there, and if it does trade down to $8.50, that would be a bona fide buy. I'm not sure that's going to happen, but we'll see if it does. Let's take a look here next at PPC, Pilgrim's Pride. This stock is trading higher, sharply higher, in fact, closed at $31.53. Right now it's at $35.97. Stock looks strong to me right now. It's a strong gap up. You want to respect it. The big resistance level for this equity, in my opinion, is around $37.50 and then more around $39.25. So there's more upside in Pilgrim's Pride. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I wouldn't be chasing it here because it's up too much. But nonetheless, the stock is definitely on the strong side today. Here's a stock that is absolutely annihilated today. It's eHealth, EHTH, and you're going to see that this stock is chopped in half. So it closed yesterday at $20.80, now trading at $10.34. To be honest, there's some support around the $10 level, but that's about it. I mean, you'd have to go back to a monthly chart to even find this support. So if you look here, you see support around $10, but I don't love it. I wouldn't own it. I would leave it alone. There's really no sense in trying to bottom fish this one, in my opinion. I have no idea where it's going, but I want no part of it at this point in time. Let's take a look at Lennar. LEN is the ticker symbol. What you're going to see here is Lennar reported earnings. Stock closed at $45.76 yesterday. It is trading at $46.68 today. Still a ton of resistance at $48 for Lennar. So you want to be careful there. But either way, stock's upticking a little bit. This could be a stock that we play intraday today. So keep it on the radar. We'll see how it goes, and we'll see where it shakes out to. But either way, could be something that we do play today. Another stock we will be playing today in the chat room will be Best Buy. Best Buy right now is trading down at $36. We have gap levels already for this one as well. So again, if you want to trade Best Buy along with us, come on over to the intraday stock chat room. I'll have gap levels up a little bit later. Crude oil today is catching a big bid. It is up $2.22. It is above the $50 level. So right now crude oil is trading at $50.74 a barrel. That's a pretty decent pop. Crude is up nearly 5% on the session. So crude oil getting a big bid today, and we'll see how that plays out. Right now, if you take a look at the USO, that should be, an amazing pop, trading above $19.18. We saw late yesterday crude catch a pretty sizable bid, and you're seeing a big pop today in crude oil ahead of the opening bell. So again, crude oil today looks fairly strong. Yesterday the USO closed at 18.27. Today it's trading at 19.20. This can still be a very volatile play, but if there's any short squeezing in crude right now, you're going to see some pretty good upside. So be prepared. That could happen. It is options expiration. Everything is on the table this week with Options X. Looking over at the gold market, we talked about that a little bit before. Gold is still riding high. Right now you have the GLD trading at around $120.58, and you have gold futures themselves trading at $1,255 an ounce. So great move on gold. Gold is up $21 today on spot. So I think that covered everything that I wanted to get through. Again, take it slow, take it steady. This is one of those markets where you really need to know what you're doing to navigate through these waters. With that being said, everybody, have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you on the charts.